Hey guys, welcome back to the bench. This is a Pittsburg 3/8 drive, and it is a double flex head. So, as per viewer suggestion, we are going to see if we can make this a stubby flex head. Very interesting design. If you need to get into those tight areas, spark plugs, something like that. But these look to be similar in size. Don't judge the cheap calipers. I lost my nice ones, so there is Harbor Freight for that. Let's see here. Yeah, I do think that these will work, so we're gonna try it out. Now, in here, let's see if we can get it zoomed close up here. Now, inside here, there are these balls, and I know for a fact that that is going to be very interesting trying to get that in and out of there. So this might go very badly, but if anything, let's see. So first off, I'm going to take off the bottom one here. A good amount of tension on there as well. Yeah, quite a bit of tension holding that together actually. Oh, that's not too bad. The ball bearing actually just sits on there, so that should be a very easy reinstallation of this. That's perfect. Cool. Put that together with the calipers there. Alright. I mean, I guess you could just use it as a stubby flex head like this, but the handle is not too comfortable. So, it's not the most comfortable of a grip there. But let's get this up opened. Looks like it needs some pressure. It's a little bit hard to get finagled out of there. There we go. That's apart. Here's our head. Now, if you want a really stubby guy, you just use this. Whoop! You don't drop it, and then you have yourself a little handle. But that's not what we are here for. We're here to see if this will fit, and it sure will. Look at that. So let's get this ball out of here. Plop that ball back in there. Get this head down. And give me one of these. Gotta use some pressure, but it looks like we're in the money. We are in the money. Trying to do my best to get this on camera. tighten her back down. And there you have it. It took me about 6 minutes. Now you have yourself a Stubby 3/8 flex head. Well, fun. So if you guys want yourself a Stubby Pittsburg, and you want to confuse them, and you have a warranty issue, you can make yourself one. It's actually a pretty nice little Stubby. I mean, the head's gigantic, but other than that, let's put it up against the snap-on here. And then also, whoa. Also, this is their Flex G2. So now you have yourself a quick release Stubby. And you're fighting to get your lights to stay up. AKA me. When you're fighting to get those off of there, this is your quick release right here. Boom. Now I will revert this back to regular. I'll show you guys how easy that is. I'm gonna do that right now. That was fun. That was cool. I enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the channel and suggesting all of the awesome things that you do. I will continue to make these videos as long as you guys continue to give me suggestions. It would be really cool if I had another one of these and I could Frankenstein it to make it a triple flex head like one of the commenters suggested that he had done. But fortunately, we only have this one for right now. Until this channel can take off, we are kind of at the mercy right now of using what we have. Now this is where it gets a little interesting. If you can tell, this wants to not line up. I'm just going to press it. I'm just going to do it like this and press this down and push this in all at the same time, and there you go. Now we're good to get that tightened up. If you're looking to do this for yourself and you want that Stubby, or if you just want to play around, by all means, it is not that difficult. All it is a little ball, and the ball sits on top of the spring and acts it to have that mechanism, and there you go. Here's our spring that just sits in the actual shaft as such. And I do believe that if you are going to do this, I don't know if it matters. Looks like there's a flatter side, so I'd make sure that you look at the spring before you reinsert it. Dropping that in there. And we have our head. Set this head up on there. This here. Push down, push her through. Tighten back up. And look at that. Back to square one. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you thought of the video. Suggest anything that you want, and I'll see if I can get it done for you guys. And please like and subscribe. This channel is not monetized yet, we are still working on getting towards monetization. I have not made a penny off this channel, and there's been a lot of investment of time and money thus far. So, thank you guys again for being so supportive. We just reached a little bit over 1,200 subscribers. That's a huge number to me. That might not be to you guys. You know, there's some big channels out there, but starting yourself a channel, it's not so easy. So thank you. With that, Briefcase out. Thank you for watching.